What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Today, my friends, I'm going to share with you my SPY option swing trading strategy. You can see here I have the March 8th calls and the March 15th calls, both over 100% return. And I'm extremely excited to share with you the strategy and walk you through step by step. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. So first and foremost, guys, the only thing I do with options is pullback trading. Pullback trading has made me extremely profitable because I get calls at a discount. So as an example, right here, guys, this is the last time I loaded up on the March 15 calls. When we pulled back here from the low to the high, you can see right here on these Fibonacci levels, 618 and 786, I'm buying calls 2 weeks out, one strike out the money. And the reason I do that, guys, is because I'm getting a discount, okay? So when I let the market tank, I'm looking to buy calls. I never buy calls at the high because at the high has the most risk, all right? So extremely very high win rate. Even if we don't get a pop right off the bat, I noticed that once we touch these key Fibonacci levels, you can get 10% pop really, really quick, all right? And I've been winning almost every single trade in the last few months with this option strategy, and I really want to share it with you guys, all right? So this is all called out live in Discord, and specifically here, guys, I want to walk you through. So this right here was our call out from this week, March 5th. You could see we had the setup here, and I did a voice note in the chat, and I said I'm filled on the 508 calls, March 15th expiry. So you could see right off the bat, within an hour, it went from 414 to 450. And right now, guys, I just posted the screenshot here. So we're at $8.54 from 414. So I've made over 100% on the calls this week. And the calls from last week, I was still holding as well. Those are over 100% as well. All right. So just want to let you know, called out live in Discord. We go live every single day. And I also have a new screen share feature where I share my screen. You can watch me trade step by step. So let's talk a little bit more about this strategy, and then we'll wrap this up. So anytime the market starts to pull back, what I want you guys to do is take your Fibonacci, okay? Take your Fibonacci like this from the low to the high. And the key level you want to watch is that 618. 618, guys, that's a 61.8% pullback discount. That's where I always look to buy calls right here. Bang, there's our fill. And then you can see right here, guys, that pop right up here, that little pop right there is 10%. So if you want to take that little quick 10%, if that's your way to play it, by all means, it's an amazing scalping strategy. But for me, guys, I always hold for the big home run. That's my style. And then today we cashed in 100% multiple times on calls, and roll your profits, okay? So if you make profits this week and you want to buy calls for next week, then what do? The next pullback, we get that pullback and we buy calls again. Always keep doing that because you're putting yourself from a good risk to reward because you're buying the dip instead of chasing it. The premium on the calls are going to be cheaper, all right? So I have a full guide on that on my channel if you guys want some more detail, but I just want to let you know this has been working really well for me. I haven't lost a trade in a while. Everything in the Discord. Check me out at tradingwars.com. If you want to come trade live with me every single day, it's only $50 a month, or right now I'm doing a great deal, my friends. If you buy my book, SPY Options Mastery, it normally comes with 30 days for free in the Discord, plus my indicators for life, over 50 charts, detailed videos, everything step by step you can see here. But instead of 1 month, I'm going to do double. So you're going to get 60 days. Come trade with us live, like I said. Hope you enjoyed this little strategy, guys. I dare you guys, start trading pullbacks and watch how your profitability changes, okay? It's an extremely powerful strategy with low risk because you're getting a deal. Thank you so much, my friends, and take care. Have a great day. Tradingwars.com for more.